Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to learn the bits of our second lesson. Is it a lesson? No, it is not a lesson. It is a poem. What is the name of the poem? Frogs at School. Who is the poet? What is the name of the poet? George Cooper. Do you remember about what the poet said? About frogs and how they want to go to school. Am I right? Okay then. Now we are going to learn bits of concerned lesson. Okay. So first bit, choose the correct option. You have to choose the correct option. Choose the correct options. If you listen the video properly, if you listen the video carefully, then you only will answer the questions or will answer choose the correct answers. Okay, what is the first one? $20 or $10 froggies went to school. How many froggies went to school? How many froggies? 10 froggies? No. How many? 20 froggies. Very good. Then what is the correct one? Whichever is correct, we have to tick. What is the correct one now? 20 or 10? How many froggies went to school? 20 froggies went to school. See? 20. Is it correct? Yeah, it is. 20 froggies only, not 10 froggies. What is the next one then? The school was beside a rushing pool or river. The school was beside a rushing. Remember the poem once again. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing. Very good. Rushing pool. Then where is the pool? It is this one or this one? What is the spelling of pool? You have learned in the rhyming words. School, pool. P-O-O-L, pool. Very good. This is the pool. The school was beside a rushing pool. Next, third one. The froggies wore coats of coats of blue. No, green. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of which color? Green. Very good. Green. Spelling of green. 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 Right. Now, fourth one. The froggies studied or played first. What they did? Studied or played? They wanted to keep a rule, make a rule. What is that? First study and then we play. Am I right? First we study, then we play. Kada? So, first what they did? They studied. S-T-U-D-I-E-D. Studied. This is the right one. Okay. So, once again look at the board. 20 froggies went to school. The school was beside a rushing pool. The froggies wore coats of green. The froggies studied first. These are the, choose the correct answers. Now, think and answer. Did the frogs wear any clothes? You have to think and answer this. Did the frogs wear any clothes? Yeah, they wore. What they wore? They wore vests with all white and clean and the coats of green. ఎలాంటి క్లోత్స్ వేసుకున్నారు? ఫ్రాగ్స్ క్లోత్స్ వేసుకున్నాయా? యా వేసుకున్నాయి. ఎలాంటి క్లోత్స్? ఎలాంటి క్లోత్స్ వేసుకున్నాయి? వైట్ క్లీన్ అండ్ వైట్ వెస్ట్ విత్ గ్రీన్ కోట్ కదా, అంతే కదా. హౌ వుడ్ యు నో? అది చెప్తున్నారు కదా మనకి కదా. మనకి పోయంలో ఏమొచ్చింది? 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. వాళ్ళు స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాయి. హౌ దే వెంట్? 20 little coats of green. గ్రీన్ కలర్ కోట్స్ వేసుకుంది అని చెప్పాడు కదా పోయిట్ మనకి. So, by reading the poem, we came to know that froggies wore clothes. How the clothes are? The 3 green little coats with all white and clean vests. Kada? White and clean vest veskoni, green coat veskoni unnai. Avuna? Kada? So, did the froggies wear any clothes? Yeah. They wore some clothes. How would you know? By reading the poem, we came to know that the froggies wore clothes. How the clothes are? Green little coat with vest. Green little coats and vest with white and clean vest with green little coat. Okay. If anyone asks, did the frogs wear any clothes? What do you have to answer? Yeah, the frogs wore clothes. How the clothes are? White and clean vests with green little coats. Am I right? Yeah, okay. Now we have one more question. What happened to the froggies happened to the froggies when they grew up? Tell me, my dear children, what happened to the froggies when they grew up? ఏమైంది ఫ్రాగీస్ పెద్దగా అయినప్పుడు ఏమయ్యాయి? How they became? They became bullfrogs. Am I right? Do you remember the poem? 20 froggies grew up fast. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs, they became at last. Now tell me, what happened to the froggies when they grew up? The froggies became bullfrogs when they grew up. The froggies became bullfrogs when they grew up. Okay. So, did the frogs wear any clothes? Yeah, frogs wore clothes. What happened to the froggies when they grew up? Froggies became bullfrogs when they grew up. Okay, my dear children, see, I'll read once again all these. You have to listen to me properly. Okay, 20 or 10. How many froggies went to school? 20 froggies only. 20 froggies went to school. The school was beside a rushing pool. The school was beside a rushing pool. The froggies wore coats of green or blue or white. No green, no blue, no white, only green. The froggies wore coats of green. The froggies studied or played first? What they did? Studied. The froggies studied first. Then what will you do? You will play first and then you study. If you find time to study, then you will study. Kada? Froggies ఏమో చాలా గుడ్ కాబట్టి మంచివి కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ చదువుకొని అనుకున్నవి. మీరేం చేస్తారు? ఆడుకున్న తర్వాత ఒకవేళ టైం ఉంటే చదువుకుంటారు కదా? No, kada? Then you also read first. You also study first. Oh, very good. మీరు కూడా ఫస్ట్ చదువుకుంటారా? చదువుకున్న తర్వాతే ఆడుకుంటారా? వెరీ గుడ్. అయితే అందరూ గుడ్. ఆల్ ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్. You all are very good children. That you will study first and then play. Very good. So, what is your homework for today? What is your homework? These. Choose the correct options. I'll give homework here. Read and write. Choose the correct options for one time. Okay? This is your homework, my dear children. See, after writing your homework, write your name on the paper, class and section, and then take a snap, send it to your class teacher. Okay, my dear children? Study well, learn well, remember all what we are teaching in the class, not like online class. Okay? Study well, my dear children. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.